Yeah, so welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You know how we do it. Yeah, we always talk about crypto arbitrage and crypto trading. Yeah, so today I'm here to do crypto arbitrage. Yeah, this one is called exchange to exchange arbitrage. Yeah, so how can you get the signal? The signal, we have a bot that give you signals to trade. Yeah, so the bot is $50, and I'll show you how you can scan for the signals to trade. Yeah, when you chat me, I'll show you everything. Yeah, so this coming Saturday, I'm having the monthly class. As always, crypto arbitrage for beginners. So if you know you're a beginner and you want to know much about crypto arbitrage, you want to learn all the strategies about crypto arbitrage, just click on the link in the description, in the comment section, and a link in the bio if you're watching me from TikTok. Yeah. So today we'll be using Bybit and BingX. Yeah. So how did I got this signal? I've come across a lot of like crypto influencers saying that crypto arbitrage is not real. You can't find the differences and stuff. A lot of shit. Yeah, but you know one thing. If you don't know, just say you don't know. Yeah. So in this case, one thing about arbitrage or the exchange to exchange arbitrage strategy is you will need a huge capital. So if I'm using huge capital to do this exchange, if I'm using $1,000, this is the amount of what. If I'm using $1,000, I'll be getting 76,5110 meme coin. 76,000. 76,000. Let me set it to limit order. 76,500 and what? 500 and 110 5110. So it means that if I'm using $1,000, I'll be earning $7.6 as profit. Yeah, and when you are buying it, we have a way of buying it. It's not like limit order or market order. We have a way of buying it and we have a way of selling it. That's what I'm saying, that there are some things that will be giving you signals and still you will not be able to trade unless you have someone to guide you, someone to mentor you. You can't learn this thing on your own. No. Yeah. So in this case, if I'm trading with $1,000, I'll be getting 7.6. And you have to know that in every trade you have to deduct your withdrawal address and the trading fee from it. Yeah. And in this case over here, if I'm buying the USDT, I have a trading fee to pay, and it's not huge. It's not huge. Yeah, it's not huge. So you have to consider it. Consider the trading fee and the withdrawal fee and stuff to know that what you're signing in for, is it profitable or it's not. You see. Yeah. So in this case, if I'm trading with $500, I'll be getting 38,2848. So I set it to limit order because I wanted to 38,2848. So if I'm using $500, I'll be getting $4.9 as profit. So let's say I'll be using the 0.9, that's the $1 to do my pay my distance. Yeah, so let me just check the withdrawal. Now not sign in. Yeah, so let me just check the withdrawal here. The withdrawal here for Mimi. So the withdrawal fee is 0.26. 0.26. So even if I am using this one to trade, I'll be getting $4 as profit. So $4 as profit, and this one you can do it as many as you want. So 4 times 20 a day is $80. $80 if you're in Ghana is times 12.2. 176 Ghana cedis for a day. So when you're doing things like this, you would think that the profit is very small. No, this one won't like it's just like, let me say, it's a soft life. You see that thing? Yeah, no hard this thing. Yeah. So when I'm getting $4 as profit and I'm able to trade 20 times a day, I'm getting $80. $80. Imagine every day I'm getting 80. And one thing about arbitrage is that you can get $4 right now, and in the next trade you can even get up to $6 or $7. So one of the things that people mistakenly do is they don't know how to buy coin and how to sell it when they are doing arbitrage. That's something that there are a lot of things that you need to learn. Don't just think that like you can learn everything on your own. No, there are a lot of things that you need to learn. And if you join my class this coming Saturday, there are a lot of things that I will teach you for just $10. If you miss it, you come for my mentorship. It's around $120. You see, yeah. So just make good use of this coming Saturday and learn much about crypto arbitrage. I will show you everything. I'll show you how to do exchange to exchange, card to P2P exchange, same exchange, triangular arbitrage, black market, trading with AI bots. I'll show you everything. I'll show you everything. I'll teach you everything. Yeah. So this is it. And at times when it's an opportunity like this and you try to, let's say, trade with small amounts, you will not see the profit. Let's say something like $100. $100. I want to show you something. Something like $100. 7655 76556 76569 76569. Have you seen that? Have you seen that right now? Hey, check. Right now, I'm trading with just $100, so I'm getting $5 as profit for just $100. So imagine in this case, like let me trade. One thing about arbitrage, you have to be smart, but do fast. 76556 76556. See, the $1,000 I'm trading right now is getting me $50 profit. Have you seen? That's how arbitrage works. So, like you can trade and get, let's say, low amounts. In the next 5 minutes, you'll be getting huge amounts. Initially, when I was using the $1,000 to trade, I was getting like $6 profit. Right now, I'm earning $50 profit on $1,000, and I'm earning $5 profit on $100. Have you seen it? Have you seen it? Like, that's how arbitrage works. All you have to do is what? Just be smart about it. Know how to buy it. Know how to enter the market. Know how to what? Exit the market. That's it. So if I'm earning something like this, like, let me be fast. So if I'm using 50, that's 8,284. That's 8,284. If I'm using $50, I'm getting 0.5. It's just very, very small. So if I'm using let's say $5,000, 2828 3828 38284 38284 83. So if I'm using $5,000, I'll be getting $53. You can see that right now is declining small. That's how it is. You see, that's how it is. So you can trade right now, you'll be getting huge money, and the next trade you'll be getting small profit. So if you don't like the small profit, I will show you how you can do it and still be getting huge profit. Those who are under my mentorship, they know what I'm talking about. And one thing is, if you come to my mentorship and you're not humble, you cannot learn this thing. And you are eager to make money, you cannot learn this thing. Just be patient and follow the steps. Some people, they will come to your DM and they'll be like, yo, so when you teach me how much am I making, blah, blah, bro, learn the thing first. Concentrate on the thing. After learning everything, you see that right now you understand all the strategies, so you can go around it and also initiate your own strategy to make money for yourself. That's how it is. When someone starts a training, let's say first day at training, the next question that he'll be asking you is like, when am I going to make money? You are learning. You are learning it. So if you don't want to learn, like me, if you are not patient, you think that I'm a bad person. Because when I'm starting a trading with you, I will tell you to be patient, to be humble. Because this process, like the training, take 1 to 2 weeks for you to master everything. And 1 to 2 weeks, at times, you will also have to advance yourself. That's how every student, that like you can teach, let's say 10 students, and 6 will come out good, 4 will come out bad. Because the 6 people, they are eager to learn and understand what they are signing in for. And the 4, they are not learning everything. They want you to show them that, okay, do this, do that, do that, do that, and make money. I'm teaching you all the steps, everything, and you have to focus on it, and you'll be making money. That's how it is. So you can see that just one trade, you can get higher, another trade can get lower. And I think I gave some people some signals, and they were like, oh, the first one I did, I got $10 profit. The next one I got $2 profit. That's what I'm saying, that but those who understand what I was teaching them, that they were getting huge profit. Because when the profit is very small for them, they know how to do to still make huge profit. So understanding the course is also part of making money. If you don't understand anything, you'll be thinking that, nah, I'm not teaching you anything. Because in your mind, you want to make money fast. All you want to do is make money. Though making money is part of what you are learning, but you have to learn the skill first before this thing will follow. Yeah. So this is how you make money, and this trade is today is Thursday, 2:49 a.m. I just trade this, and I also give it out to my VIP Signal group. Yeah. So you can also join my Signal group for $50 a month. Just like for $50 a month, every day you be getting Signal every day. Yeah. Join my mentorship. My mentorship too. If you want to join, just chat me and we talk about it. Yeah. But if you want to join my VIP group, it's just $50 every month. It's very just cheap. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.